Good morning, children. Welcome to Ayan's Easy Max. The question is given solve for real numbers seventh root of x plus 3 plus seventh root of 6 minus x is equal to seventh root of 9. So those who are new to this channel, like this Olympiad logical and critical problems will be uploaded from this channel. So subscribe the channel so that you can get the latest updates. Your subscription is very important because it is a new channel. So here pause the video for 10 seconds and think about this problem. Can you do this Olympiad problem or not? Otherwise you can continue to watch the video. Like this Olympiad problems you cannot see in any other channels. So share the channel to your friends. We are going to start the problem now. Here we are having on logic. If you do take that logic, then only can do the problem. Let 9k square is equal to x plus 3. So here k belongs to real number. K belongs to real number. Then the equation will become here 9 into k into seventh root of 9 plus seventh root of 6 minus 9k to the power of 7 plus 3 is equal to seventh root of 9. So we are substituting the value. So x plus 3 is equal to 9k root of 7. 9k to the power of 7 is equal to x plus 3. So now here we can take common k seventh root of 9 plus seventh root of 9 minus 9k to the power of 7 is equal to seventh root of 9. So here you can take 9 common. K seventh root of 9. Here we are taking seventh root of 9 as common. So here we'll get seventh root of 1 minus k to the power of 7 is equal to seventh root of 9. So here you can take seventh root of 9 common. So k plus seventh root of 1 minus k to the power of 7 is equal to seventh root of 9. So here you can cancel seventh root of 9. So here sending k that side, seventh root of 1 minus k to the power of 7 is equal to 1 minus k. So here you can write as 1 minus k to the power of 7 is equal to 1 minus k to the power of 7. So here we have to know the binomial expansion. Here 1 plus a plus b whole power 7 or a minus b whole power 7. Here 1 minus k to the power of 7. Here you'll get 1 minus 7k. This step is very important now. Plus 21k square minus 35k to the power of 3 plus 35k power 4 minus 21k to the power of 5 plus 7k power 6 minus k to the power of 7. So a minus b whole power 7 now you will get this many terms. So here 1 get cancelled, k power 7 get cancelled now. So if you write according to the power of k, 7k power 6 minus 21k to the power of 5 plus 35k to the power of 4 minus 35k power 3 plus 21k square minus 7k is equal to 0. So here you can take 7k common. In all the terms you can take 7k common. So here you'll get k to the power of 5 minus 3k to the power of 4 plus 5k power 3 minus 5k square plus 3k minus 1 is equal to 0. So here the quotients are sum of the quotients equal to 0. Sum of the quotients is equal to 0. Then k minus 1 is a factor. Here if k minus 1 is a factor, so you have to find the remaining factor by using Horner's method. 1 minus 3, 5, minus 5, 3 minus 1. So here x value 1 0, 1, here 1, minus 2, here minus 2, 3, here minus 2, 3 here you'll get minus 2, here minus 2 you'll get 1, here plus 1 you'll get 0. So the other factor is k power 4 minus 2k power 3 plus 3k square minus 2k plus 1 equal to 0. So here the factors will get 7k, k minus 1. This can be written as k square minus k plus 1 whole square equal to 0. So here k square minus k plus 1 equal to 0 does not belongs to real numbers. The roots are not real here. So k is equal to 0 or k is equal to 1. Now replace this in 9k square is equal to x plus 9k to the power of 7 is equal to x plus 3. So first if we take k equal to 0, k equal to 0, here we'll get 9 into 0 equal to x plus 3. That implies x is equal to minus 3. So if you write k is equal to 1, so 9 into 1 power 7 is equal to x plus 3. That implies x is equal to 6. Therefore, x is equal to minus 3 or 6. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, subscribe the video and share the video to your friends. Thank you for watching. I am CG Max Olympiad.